Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share some must-know car maintenance tips for every season. Whether it's freezing winter mornings or scorching summer days, keeping your car in top shape is crucial. Let's start with winter. First, always check your battery. Cold weather can be tough on it. Make sure it's fully charged and clean any corrosion from the terminals. Next, consider switching to winter tires. They provide better traction on icy roads. And don't forget to check your antifreeze levels. It keeps your engine from freezing. Now, moving on to spring. This is the perfect time for a deep clean. Salt and grime from winter can cause rust, so wash your car thoroughly, especially the undercarriage. Also, inspect your wiper blades. Winter can wear them out, and you'll need them for those spring showers. Lastly, check your tire pressure. Cold weather can cause it to drop, so make sure they're properly inflated. Next up, summer. The heat can be brutal on your car, so start by checking your coolant. It helps keep your engine from overheating. Also, inspect your air conditioning. A well-functioning AC is a must in the summer. Don't forget to check your tires again. Hot pavement can cause them to wear out faster. Finally, we have fall. This is a good time to check your brakes. Wet and slippery leaves can make stopping difficult, so ensure your brakes are in top condition. Also, replace your air filters. Fall brings a lot of dust and debris that can clog them up. And as the days get shorter, check all your lights to make sure they're working properly. Remember, these seasonal checks will not only keep your car running smoothly, but also ensure your safety on the road. So take a little time each season to give your car some TLC. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Drive safe and take care.